Alright, boys, it's May the 27th, I believe. That's correct, May the 27th. 5:45 Central Daylight Savings Time. I've got the Deus 2 HF Coil on here. Now, I did a video showing what I think could be a possible bug, but I'm not sure. Now, I can't run this coil with version 2, but I can run the 9-inch HF coil, and I put a video up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this beta version here. Now, if this turns out not to be a flaw, then what you see is what you get, I guess. If this thing gets firmed up for, you know, when they take the B out in front of the version, huh? We're only going to look at the sensitive program. Alright, sensitive program, it's defaulted to silencer 1, okay? We're going to use that nail there. I'm going to try to keep the camera more on this screen versus the coil and the nail, okay? So, I'm at silencer 1, and it's defaulted, so I'm at 6.8 disc. I've got rejection on that nail. Now, it's default tones in here, 3 tones, I believe, okay? So I have rejection on that nail at 6.8 silencer 1. So I get down there, I lose my iron rejection, which that looks okay. Okay, so now I have, my rejection's increasing. I'm back to 6.8. Excuse me. So I have my rejection there. So now I'm going to silencer 2. Okay, so I'm at 6.8 disc. I have my rejection. I'm lowering the disc. Losing my rejection, okay? So I've lost my iron rejection as far as on that nail. Alright, so I'm going back to 6.8. Going to silencer 3. Now I'm at 6.8 silencer 3. I have nail rejection. You hear the iron tone? Okay, now I'm going down in the disc. There's 6. There's 4.7. There's 4.2. Now, version 2, using the 9-inch fast multi-frequency coil, we would be hearing that nail right there. Now I'm at 3.1 disc. I've still got iron tone. You see what I'm saying? I'm still rejecting that nail, meaning I've got iron tone. I'm at 0.6 disc. I'm at 0.3 disc. I'm at 0.1 disc. I've still got iron tone. Again, you wouldn't see this in silencer 3 using version 2 with a fast multi-frequency coil. Now I go to 0. Now I hear the nail, I go back to 0.1 disc. I have rejection. Silencer 4. I'll make this short here. Watch this, silencer 4. 0.1 disc. Go to 0. I don't have rejection anymore. 0.1 disc, I have rejection. Silencer 5. 0.1 disc, I have rejection. If I go to 0, I hear the nail with high tone. 0.2 disc, I have rejection. Silencer 6. 0.2 disc, I have rejection. 0.1, I have rejection. 0, I have no rejection. 7 silencer. Alright, I'm at 0 disc, so I don't have the rejection on the nail. 0.1 disc, I have rejection on the nail. Now, why am I bringing it, why do I suspect this is not right? Well, I don't know if it is or not, but if it's not right, or if it is right, here's the question. So if I'm at 6.8 disc, all right, which is default, and I'm at, say, a silencer of 3. Whoops, I went by it. I went by it again here. Let me get this right here. I need to slow down. Okay. So if I'm at a silencer of 3, okay, now you remember what happened here when I changed when I let the disc down, see, iron tone, iron tone, iron tone, all the way to, I have to get all the way to 0. See, there's 0.1. I've got rejection. I don't have rejection. So here's the question. So when I'm up here at 6.8, all right, and I'm using this machine, and when I'm in silencer 3, if I go to 6.4, is there anything happening in this machine? Have I changed anything? You understand what I'm saying? Before, in version 2, 1.1, when I got somewhere right in there, that nail right there would be coming through. But now I got to go all the way down to 0 to hear the nail. So when I change this right here, right now, is anything going on inside this machine electronically? From 5.5 to 6.8, have I changed anything in here exactly? I don't know. See, I don't have any indication. You understand what I'm saying? See, I'm at disc 4 right now. I'm going to 4. Well, have I changed anything? When I'm sweeping that, have I changed anything? Versus 6.8. Have I changed anything? And then here's the other question, but now I think I can see some effects here. What about when I go up? What about 6.8 going to 7.5? You see what I'm saying? See, we can see the effects of this using this disc before in silencer 3, silencer 4, running version 2 with a 9-inch or 11-inch or 11 by 13-inch coil. This version, 3.03, it's different. But is this why? Because they added that. So while we're in here, we'll look at this. There's silencer -3. Okay. So we're at a 6.8 disc. Okay. I have nail rejection. Okay. All right. See, I'm losing my rejection there, aren't I? Now we'll even go down here. Let's change this frequency max. Let's just change it to 29 in this sensitive program. Okay. So I've got 6.8 disc. I have rejection. I'm in silencer -3. I have rejection, so I'm coming down. I still have iron tone. You see that? Okay, so now I'm starting to lose it. I'm gonna keep going down 3. Okay. See, that right there behaves more at -3 silencer. This machine behaves more like version 2 does in a 3 silencer. But not like 3 silencer does in this version. You see my point? So the minus silencer may be what's caused this. That may be what it is, okay? So even if this turns out to be what they want in this machine, at least you'll know about it. All right. Anyway, I tried to keep the camera on the screen so you could see this, okay? And I still haven't heard anything back. They're about 6 hours, 5 hours ahead of me here, okay?